Welcome back to my channel. This tutorial showing shelter, how to make the shelter by SolidWorks. So total is here 3 part. One part is base, one is post, one is shelter is the rope. So let's start and show one by one. So delete this and start from new part. Okay. So we make first the base, the first one. Here is showing the base. Yes. This case corner rectangle. So if you have to make the normal too, and this case rectangular, small dimension. It's 300. And this side also 300. Tick OK. Now we go the features and extruded box, and this will be 25 mm based on drawing. 25 mm. Click OK. Now you have to make the center one hole for post. So start. Yeah, it's the right way. This case circle. So it's have to make sure in the center. So center, you must find the center line, then make the point and get it. So let's see the measurement. Measurement is 170. Smart dimension 170. Click OK. And this we have to make outside 10 mm. So features and extruded box, and make sure 10 mm. Click OK. Yeah, already come. So we have to make another hole here. Case circle. Just make sure center point. Look in the black color. Smart dimension. We see the measurement. 150 mm. It's 150 mm. So it have to cut and go inside. Click OK and find extruded cut here, and it's 10 mm. Click OK. Yeah, it's cuts. So we have to cut through all the way. 120 should be. I check again. Yes, 120. Select this case circle, smart dimension 120. Nice. Now we cut whole thing out. So features and extruded cut. Look, it is showing. So you follow the arrow to cut. How long also is no problem, because inside is nothing. Can cut through. Yeah, already did. Okay. So let's we make the bolt nut for here hole. The four corner is 4 volt. So you go the front and normal to this case circle in here. This is 20 mm. So make 20 mm. And this here from here 250 from another hole to another hole. So you make sure make 25 top and bottom. 25. Smart dimension. $25. So let's do one thing. We just do it by mirror. So sketch and make the center line, and center line here from here. Click OK and go to mirror and click here and here. It's nice. So we are out of this mirror, this center line, and make another center line here. Select OK and mirror these two together is the bottom. Now we do one thing, make the whole feature and extruded cut. Look, it is showing here. That's nice. And this base is the shelter, is bottom for tight bolt and nut. So we do one thing, we make the this like corner is very sharp, so we make the fillet like bevel something or radius here. We make 5 mm about the 4 corner same. Just select the corner, make sure corner, not click another. So just select OK. That's fine, our first base, and save the work. Part 1, yes, and delete. Go to the new. Okay, second one, sketch, circle. We make the post now. Smart dimension. This 200 and 120 we recheck. Yes. 200. 120. So we go the extruded box. Extruded box we can keep 2500. Yep. This ready the post. Okay, save the work. Part 2. Okay, delete and file part. Okay, now we do the last part, the shelter is case. So this we do from the polygon. So here is the polygon. So take the smart dimension. We can keep this 500 or 400, whatever. This is the first one. and list out exit and do again forward plane, then go to reference geometry here and plane. So this like the first the top one, and this the making way now slope down. So that means water drop here and come down, so we make 300 slope from the top. Just keep here 300 sketch. Okay, so we have to this plane select and sketch. Okay, you must know origin come, then only you know this you follow the 300. Okay, start another polygon here. This is the bottom one. So this the one dimension we keep 3 meter. Sorry. Okay, now let's do one thing. This have to do the exit and loped box base. So select this corner. So it's we adjust. Yes, that's nice. Okay. Now we hide this. And do one thing, we make the shell here. Shell 10 mm. Try. Yeah. And look, nice. Now is the shell. So that means this thickness is now 10 mm. Or we can put 20, whatever. That's nice. So now save the work. We do another one thing for post here. Otherwise, when it's assemble, then post cannot find the place exactly. So select here. This case 120, and next one is 200. So span dimension. This 120. This 200. Exit. Okay, save. So delete this, and we now find the assembly. Before we do the part, now assembly. Assembly means this three we make together join, that means mat. So actually we'll do assembly, but we before select the part. So here is come. So now is browse and find our this 3 part we select before and save. Okay, this part 1, 2, 3. So we select 3 is one time. 1, 2, 3. Look, we select one time. So this select system is press the keyboard control button and select. That's it, and bring here. 1, 2, and 3. So now we make mat all together. We just select this, make sure here and here. sorry, it's have to select the matte first here. Okay, inside and inside. So okay, wrong place. Yes, we make the tangent that means fix exactly and perfectly. Yeah, that's it. Now nice, no moving. Okay, no moving means that means sit properly. Click OK. Now we do one thing, this like different direction, so we make the right direction. So you go to the move component. Here is move component. So this have to, here have the move component and rotate component. So you find the rotate component like that. Spinning. Rotate component. Yes. It's have to make sure select properly, otherwise a problem. Okay, that's it. Now we select matte and select the point to point. I mean this inside 120 and here is 120. I mean the small circle here. Yes, it's automatic fine. Now we find this outside one. Tangent and click OK. Okay, nice our join everything. So select OK and we can apply the material anything we want. So apply material is here. We must make the assembly default display start here. Click first and go to this community. Metal, painted, glass, solid, stone, whatever we can make it, it's no problem. Go to metal, polished parts, polished copper. So this anything we can apply, it's no problem. We can apply the polished gold. Yeah, that's it. So let's do one thing. Here we can see the line. So this line we select and height. Yeah, now cannot see. This is joining part, make sure. That's it, and thank you for watching.